Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Zybio ALB Bromocresol green method, a chemistry product. Here we can see the brand name Zybio ALB Bromocresol green method, a chemistry product. This is the overall front view of this product. On the top we can see ALB, this is a short form. The product name is Albumin kit, Bromocresol green method. This kit contains 30 ml into 6, reference number 01090004 EC01, and also we can see the lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date, one instruction manual inside this kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. We should maintain this temperature, this kit maintain temperature between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. Over here we can see the manufacturing address also, Zybio International. The manufacturing of this kit is Republic of China. So the origin of the kit is Republic of China. This is the overall top view of this product. On the side we can see the brand name Zybio. On the side we can see it is a chemistry product. On the side we can see brand name Zybio. This is the overall view of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After opening we can see the reagent. I am going to take this out. After taking all the reagents from this, also one instruction manual is there. As Zybio, reference number 101090004 EC01, 30 ml into 6 for Zybio EXE 200 220. This is for Indian use. Summary, principle, storage and validity. This is stuff inside this reagent instruction kit. I am going to keep this aside. The next one, here we can see Zybio ALB Albumin reagent 30 ml into 6. We already seen in the kit name. So here we go for summary. Today we can see about Zybio Albumin kit. This kit contains reagent 30 ml into 6. So these are Zybio Albumin reagent 30 ml into 6 bottles. One with instruction. This is overall view. Thank you.